Hi guys, so this is the video that I've done. I was sort of practicing some active track. Done a couple of active tracks, fairly new to it, but enjoying it all the same. And there's a really lovely track by me that I just wanted to test out. It's a little bit sketchy. It's thick forest to the sides, so there's nowhere really for the Mini Pro 4 to go to the sides, and it's dense, so there's a lot of branches around and so on. So I took it the other day, did a reconnaissance, which you should always do a big reconnaissance before you do active tracking, because you want to know, well, same with whatever you're using your Mini Pro 4 or your drones, do the reconnaissance, check the area, know what's around you, especially where you're going to be filming. So I did the reconnaissance and thought, no, there's no chance it's going to get through this, even with the 360 sensors, it's not going to get through it. And I went home, and then of course, typical bloke, wake up the next day, testosterone kicks in and says, no, let's do it. So here's the footage. It's going to start with the GoPro footage. The drone's going to be following me, but you'll see with the GoPro footage exactly where I'm going and what it's having to avoid. And then on the second part, it's only about a minute each, the second part, you'll see the drone in its footage and following me. So here we are at the start, just looking back there, you can see the drone following me, and I'm off. I've sped it up a little bit. You can see what it's having to get under and around. You can see how dense this wood is. It's just trees everywhere and thick bushes everywhere. So look at that. Is it going to make it through that? We'll see. And look at that. Look at that. Yeah, she got that in her, let's see. Oh dear. You can see why I thought it was a bit sketchy and there's no way it'd get through. Yeah, even more. Oh dear, how's it? Oh, see, I'm having to duck on the bike. That's why it's dipping all the time. I'm trying to sort of looking down or ducking to avoid the branches. That's just the stop point. That trail goes on for a couple of miles and it gets really steep and sketchy. It's good fun. It's really good fun trail on the bike. And I could see that the drone is nowhere to be seen, and I could then see on my screen on the RC2. Can't see it, so have a track back. There it is. See that spindly bit there? That tiny bit of spindly branch that's got no leaves at all on it, and there it is. Pick it up, check it. No damage. So here you can see the drone footage. I'm just setting it up. I've got a mount there on my bike that's really good. Just get it from Temu. About 15 quid. It's about $20. I don't know how much it's going to be now in America with a little bit of tariff on, not much more, maybe another $4 or $5 and that's it. But the RC2, once you tighten it up, it really is fixed hard on that. So here we go. And there it's encountered. That's a real spindly branch and it gets around it. Oh, look at that. How's it going to do that? Can't go to the sides, no chance. It ducks under, avoids that tree. I'm almost dodging it myself now. And then follows me again. I'm probably going slow because it's so dense. And I've got it from behind because I thought the best chance of it actually making it through this is with the front sensors. 360, it'll get through it and get through, hopefully get through it. That's the thinking was it wouldn't get through it, but you know, you have to try these things out, don't you? Come on, it's a bloke thing, isn't it? There we go, still following me, no problem. Look at that. Oh, and it's going to avoid that. It's stuck in. Oh no, it didn't quite, and it stopped. And I'm carrying on, and it catches me, it still stays with me, and it goes under, ducks again, stays with me, speeds up to catch me up. And then look at that. Oh yeah, what a Trojan. I mean, she's amazing. The DJI Pro 4 is amazing, the Mini Pro 4. It's just doing some brilliant stuff there to avoid that. It is. Oh, look at that branch. Oh, there she goes. Boom, it's gone. So it didn't quite make it. That was right at the very end. But I think that just shows how good it is. I'm really impressed with it anyway. So bye for now.